sitting in his chair. Prohibition ended and he felt a sudden scare. The alcohol was flowing, his budget started thinning. He needed a new devil if he planned on keep on winning. So he looked toward the garden, had a plant that grew so tall, and he swore a blood-red oath that he'd make the sucker fall. He called it marijuana just to make it sound unpure, a racist little tactic from a mind that's insecure. It's the architect's lie, written in the black. 90 years of progress that we're never getting back, built on ghosts and shadows and a bureau's greedy hand. They poisoned every corner of this godforsaken land. Yeah, they sold us out for funding and they sold us out for hate. Now the morons in the Capitol are 80 years too late. Then comes William Hearst with his ink and with his greed, scared that industrial hemp would be the only thing we need. He couldn't have a plant making paper for the press when he owned all the timber. What a goddamn mess. He printed reefer madness on every single page, lying to the public, stoking up the rage, saying darkies and the Mexicans would lose their cooling mind, while he and Harry Anslinger left the truth behind. They called it the assassin of youth in 37, while they turned a natural bomb into a hell away from heaven. DuPont had his plastics and Mellon had his bank. They all stood in a circle while the common people sank. They locked the door on science, they threw away the key just to keep their pockets full of the high-born bourgeoisie. Now you got these modern twats still quoting Harry's lines, afraid of losing votes or their precious lobby fines. They see the tax, they see the peace, they see the crime go down, but they'd rather keep the shackles on every single town. It's a ghost story, my friend, that they're still trying to tell, keeping God's own greenery locked inside a cell. But here's the kicker, here's the dirt, here's the ugly truth. While they're out there saving all the misguided youth, 3/4 of these bastards are lighting up at night behind their gated mansions, hidden out of sight. Gold-plated pipes in the discreet little jar, while they send the local boys to rot behind a bar. You're a two-faced coward in a $5,000 suit, feeding us the poison while you're eating all the fruit. Ain't it about time we shut these motherfuckers down? Tear the fake-ass jewelry off the elite and their crown. We're reclaiming the ground, we're reclaiming the dirt, living lives we choose to live without causing any hurt. Just a little bit of weed, just a little bit of grace. Get your greedy ass fingers out of our personal space. Harry's in the dirt now, and Hearst is in the ground, but the bullshit they created is still hanging all around. Who the fuck does it affect if we smoke a little weed, when peace is the only thing this goddamn world really needs? We're waking up now, and we're taking back the right to walk our own path and turn out our own light. Shut 'em down.